is Andre, and I'm in Vancouver, Canada, and I'm just doing this video testimonial for the Builderall team. And I just wanted to express my thanks and gratitude for all that they do and the wonderful platform that they provided for anybody to use. And I mean anybody. Like one of the members just recently had his two kids in, like one being his 12-year-old daughter and his 14-year-old son. And for the first time, at the platform, they were building websites within just a couple of hours, and it was just amazing to see. And I know from experience myself, like the ease of use of this platform, it's just incredible. It's the easiest thing I've ever used, and I've used a few. And it's just like click, drag, and drop, easy. Just as it says on their sales page. And I thought, hey, what do I have to lose? It's a free trial, so I jumped in and took the free trial, gave it a shot, and was very pleasantly surprised. And I'm also equally as grateful for their level of support. You can email them, they have chat support, and even an 800 number if you get stuck, and they're all great. Eric, there's Alex and Jay, and they're all like very helpful and very nice, and they've been around for a while, and they've broken down some pretty serious barriers for a lot of people who have had difficulty with technical stuff like getting through the website building process. So hats off to you, Builderall team. I'm like a customer for life, and I'm already making a business out of it as well, like making websites for others. So thanks again. Bye for now.
Hi, I'm Bella with Rock Digital Pros. I'm here to talk to you today about Builderall. If you're on this page right now, it means you've been searching for an online business opportunity. And I'm here to tell you you're in the right place at the right time. Builderall has all the marketing tools you need to build a successful business online. What I was looking for is something like Builderall for a very long time so that I can stay home, raise my kids myself, not have to worry about daycare, not have to worry about a boss dictating what I could and could not do, not have to worry about sitting in traffic for hours. I just wanted to be at home, work from home, make good income, and be here for my family. So, with that being said, this is it. I'm so glad I found Builderall. Builderall has all the marketing tools I need to help me build my new business. I actually changed careers when I found Builderall. With Builderall, you can actually build websites, funnels, blogs. We have free lead generators. We have Facebook pixels. There's just so many tools you can use. You can basically pick and choose what you need to build your own specific business. And you can also have multiple streams of income because you can have multiple projects going on at the same time as well. We have different groups that we can partner with, we can brainstorm with. We have the Women's Power Group, we have the Single Moms Group, we have people all over the world actually using the Builderall platform. If you have an internet connection, if you have a computer, you could use Builderall to build your online business. And you can also use Builderall to help you find business building websites for other businesses, like brick and mortar businesses. There's just, the possibilities are endless. Your imagination is the only thing stopping you from becoming successful using Builderall. We also have a Facebook group I'd like to invite you to. It's called Marketing Experts. I highly recommend you join us there. Just come in and see what our community is all about. We're always helping each other. We're a fantastic support system, so you're not on your own, which is a huge problem I found with other businesses that I was trying to run from home. I basically felt isolated. My only lifeline was the company support system, which wasn't usually very good to begin with. But with Builderall, they have an excellent support system within Builderall. But then we have our community support system. So you do not feel like you're out there alone. And that is really exciting. You get to brainstorm, do projects together. It's just an amazing, amazing opportunity. So if I were you, I wouldn't hesitate because there is no risk to you. Builderall does have a 7-day free trial and no credit card is required. So really there is no risk in trying it. There's no risk, but there's so much to gain for you. So with that, I'll leave you with 2 thoughts. Make sure you join our Facebook group. It's called Marketing Experts, and say hi to Bella once you're there. And also dive in and go for the Builderall 7-day free trial. I am sure you're going to love it. Okay? I hope to see you in our community. Take care.
Hey, Jeanne this here. So listen, I want to tell you guys about this amazing opportunity that I've been part of for the past couple of months, right? And this is called the Builderall business, right? So this opportunity has helped me so much. I've been in this industry for 5 years, guys. 5 years on the trying to make money online industry, which if you're watching this, you're probably trying to make money online. And to be honest with you, it's not 100% easy. You have to put some work, right? There's not a push button, get money, get rich scheme type of thing, which unfortunately there are those things out there, but they never last and they disappear like this in a couple of days or a couple of months. Now with the Builderall business, they've been operating for over 7 years now. So you know they're not going to disappear. And they're not an affiliate product that you can, sell for a couple of days and then next day they're not working anymore, nothing's functioning, and you got to sell something else, right? This is an actual business, right? It's a platform that you become a business owner. So in reality, it's yours, right? So I can give it to my daughter. I have a baby girl. Once she's like in her 20s and I'm like in my 80s, I'm freaking old. I can give it to her if I want to. If she doesn't want it, it's okay. Depending on the value of my business, my Builderall business, I can sell it off to somebody else, right? Because it's earning me money on a consistent residual monthly basis. And that's something that you really want when it comes to making money online. You don't just want to make, $1,000 in 1 week and then next week you're broke because you didn't sell anything. That's why I am so in love with the Builderall business opportunity, guys. Right? I dropped every other affiliate stuff that I've been doing because I see and believe in what's going on over here, and I want you guys to be part of this too. So that's why I'm shooting this video, to let you know how great it's going for me and for my family. And I know that if you actually implement and learn the things that the Builderall business platform has to offer, you're definitely not gonna regret it, and you're gonna say thank you, Jeanne, and thank you to Builderall for putting this for everybody to finally start making some money online and own a business online. And guess what? You have the tools to start even your own second business aside. If you want to start a pizzeria and your pizzeria needs a website, you have all the tools needed right under one roof with this platform. You need to go spend more money over there. What you're spending right now, you can do it with the Builderall business. Okay? So I'll see you guys on the inside, and make sure you sign up because trust me, you're not gonna regret it. Peace.
Hi, this is Nita Baker. Today I want to talk a little bit about the company I just discovered. It's called Builderall. I joined Builderall a few weeks before they launched in the US market. This company has been around for more than 7 years in Portugal. And what I love about Builderall, because they have most of the tools we need to run our online business. And they keep adding up a new software in the back end for us to be able to use. And in Builderall, you can create your own website from drag and drop site builder. And also you will be able to have your email marketing. You can create your funnels, video design studio, and you will see other benefits inside the Builderall platform. Because I know where Builderall will take us for our future. And also Builderall is a business because you will be able also to create your own digital agency using Builderall. And if one day you don't want your Builderall business anymore, you can sell your business back to Builderall and they will buy your business. And also I believe I can teach my kid about Builderall because this business I can pass on into my family so they don't have to work their 9-to-5 job. And also I just become the certification partnership. So I would like to invite you inside a Builderall business. And I hope I will see you on the inside.
Hi, I'm Shelly Turner, and I wanted to do a short video just to let you know what I think about Builderall. So I jumped into Builderall in the beginning because of the tools. I was really excited about the different tools that were offered, and having my own business, I needed a whole set of tools like that. And right away, I was able to cut out a lot of the things I was paying for individually because those were tools that were offered in Builderall. So right away, it saved me money. That was exciting. But then I learned about the business opportunity part of Builderall, where I could offer this program, this platform, to other people just like me that are running a business and they need those tools, and they could save a lot of money if all those tools were in one place instead of all different places and spending so much money going to different places for different tools. So I got really excited and started sharing and sharing and sharing, and it just grew and grew from there because Builderall is such a wonderful program and a platform. And not only that, they've got an incredible support staff. They've got an incredible CEO that truly cares about all the users that are in Builderall. And there's an incredible community of people that are always talking and sharing and giving of themselves, whether they are knowledgeable about the Builderall platform or even knowledgeable about something else about business. They just share so freely, and it's absolutely incredible what is out there. So my experience with Builderall has been one that has been a phenomenal experience, and I love it. I'm so glad that I found it. I think the universe kind of opened up and said, here you go, Shelly, here it is. And I took it and ran with it for sure. But I invite you to check Builderall out. I know that you will love it as much as I do. And I'm sure that it's one of the best decisions you will ever make.